here with you to show you how to make pizza dough in just like 3 minutes, alright? All we need is 1 kilo flour, 500 milliliter water and 25 grams salt. And if you have, like I do, previous dough of pizza, don't hesitate to use it. Otherwise, it depends about the time that you have to make pizza. If you have 24 hours, you can use a quarter of fresh yeast. Otherwise, if you don't have a lot of hours to wait for pizza to grow, you can put straight all the fresh yeast, okay? Later I'm gonna also make a picture of the fresh yeast. So we throw the water, the old dough. So here we are. Now I will just throw all the flour inside the water and I'm gonna mix it quickly, okay? Because also the time that you take to mix all together is gonna change the situation. All right, here I am. All right. So as you can see, I almost finished. Once that I finish to aggregate all the flour, pizza is gonna be ready. The only thing that I need to do after is to make a bowl and to put a little bit oil, okay, just to not to let it stuck with the cling film when I'm gonna put the cling film at the end, just to let it grow and rest until my friends are not coming tonight to edit the videos, because basically this is gonna be my first video because it doesn't need a lot of job. It doesn't require a lot of editing, so I was thinking to start with butter croissant, but unfortunately I erased the video. So 2 minutes 39 and pizza is ready. All right, guys. Now I clean a little bit here around. How to make pizza dough in really less than 3 minutes. 2 minutes actually, because the first minute, as you saw, I was talking. So once that you see how fast I've been, so it does, if you are fast like me, if you can be fast like me, you won't struggle later to, you see how I can watch, how I can manage the dough, all right? And this is because I've been fast. All right, so I'm gonna let it rest 1 minute, okay? Because as you can see here, the pizza dough is stressed. When you see the pizza dough in this condition, let it rest a couple of minutes, because otherwise it's not gonna be possible to watch it, to work it. All right, see you soon, guys.